Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today I'm showing you the Storytime Craft for Thursday, August 27th. We're still talking about wiggles and lines, and today we're going to do an Itsy Bitsy spider craft. So get out your kit and let's get started. From our kit, we will need our black paper. We will also need a red circle and 2 green rectangles. And then we've got a little green circle as well. Everything else that's in the kit will be for Friday. In addition, you'll want to have scissors, glue sticks, and colors. So what we're going to do today is create our Itsy Bitsy spider. We're gonna have our spider have a big red body. So I'm gonna put glue on the back of my big red dot and stick it on. Perfect. And then we're gonna have a little green head. Same thing, use our stick glue to stick it on. Now for the legs, we want them to be a little zigzaggy and spidery. So we're going to fold just a little bit, about as wide as our finger here. And then we're going to fold that part in half, like this. Let's do it again on this one. So we're going to fold just about a finger width down, and then we're going to flip it over and fold the whole thing in half. Perfect. Then before we attach these legs on, spiders have 8 legs, right? So we're going to use our scissors and cut halfway. Now we have 2 legs, and then cut each half in half again. And that way on each side, we will have 4 spidery legs. Do the same on the other side. You can have a grown-up help you with this part if you'd like. And our final cut. Awesome. And now we can glue with this little part that we folded first, the finger width part. We didn't cut all the way up there so that we could hold our legs together. So now we can use that part to glue our legs onto our spider. And do that for both sides. So we've got a nice symmetrical spider. Awesome. And now everything else on this craft is up to you. If you have some white crayons or chalk at home, you can create a spider's web. If you have some markers at home, Ms. Rachel's getting out her black marker, you can give your spider some eyeballs. And I think I read somewhere that spiders have lots of eyes. They don't just have 2. So I'm going to give my spider a couple extra eyes. And if spiders don't really have that many eyes, that's okay, because this can be an imaginary spider. And then we can put a letter or a pattern or a picture on the spider's back if you want. So I'm going to have this spider be a super spider. I'm going to do Da, 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 the super spider. And like I said, you can use white string, you can use white glue, or you can use white chalk or a white crayon to create the spider's web all over the black paper. I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft, and we'll see you next time. Bye.